if TikTok is really powerful right now, it's even more powerful for small, medium-sized businesses. Small, medium-sized businesses want one thing: huge awareness. They need awareness. They need to be known. They need to be seen. So they are the ones who definitely should be on TikTok. Restaurant, that's crazy. Like, there's so many opportunities there. They could do behind the scenes in the kitchen. They could really get in there in the kitchen when the chefs are making the food and show us how. Maybe they have a secret sauce. Maybe they have a hero dish. So show us the behind the scenes. Show us the making of. Hey, have the chefs little interviews, right? Or even have like little testimonials from some of their best, most regular customers. You know, you have to be creative and look into your business and think about all of the aspects, from interviews, reviews, behind the scenes, making of, you know, really go in there with your team that you have. There's always someone in your team that wants to vlog or wants to create content.
So just find that gem.
Yeah, definitely leverage, you know, small businesses, medium-sized businesses really need to leverage their teams and who they are working with, or find collaborators. So this restaurant owner can go on TikTok now, and he could use the search bar, and he could go Dubai restaurants, or Dubai food. Actually, he could go or he or she, actually, I don't know, Dubai food on the search bar, and he's going to see all of the top content creators. Yeah. And he could find a really awesome content creator, and he could just DM that person and be like, do you want to collaborate? And there you go.
Exactly. One of the other things